My brother gave this to me, probably because he thinks I'm a child, and well, the LEDs are coming out of it, and that's not good. So, look at that. Pretty neat, but I don't like that. So I thought about how I can fix that. Like that. And then I think what I want to do here is do like a little relief of sorts. Take this guy here. Nice and tight. I think like that. Yeah, like that. Now, a little tug on there, and it's not going to tug on the LED. Get rid of that cap. And here we are. Beautiful. It's not going to come out easily.